As coronavirus keeps students away from school, many parents are in need of child care. Cindy Gray has more on how Pottawatomie County agencies are coming together to open safe spaces for essential work.
It eases their mind, and that way they can go about, taking care of our community, keeping us safe and healthy.
Pottawatomie County agencies are doing their part to help the people who are helping the community.
So many of them have said, I don't know what to do. Do I need to take a leave of absence? And so we're being able to offer this partnership, with the community and with the school system to be able to help our nurses so they can keep the community safe and healthy.
Closing schools was a necessary step to mitigate the spread. And we really risk losing that benefit of closing schools if our healthcare workers and first responders aren't at work.
The Council Bluffs Schools Foundation established an emergency childcare collaborative, providing free childcare for first responders, healthcare workers, and other essential workers. Chris LaFurla, who's the executive director, says they'll serve up to 60 kids at several locations.
We'll be working really hard to make sure that we have enough space in our childcare sites to keep the groups to 10 or less. We'll be implementing more and additional hand washing and cleaning and sanitizing measures, as well as temperature checks multiple times a day.
Carol Wood, CEO of Children's Square, says her child care center has been helping families since the 60s.
They need to be able to focus on their jobs when they're there. So to have a place that has been in business and is used to doing this, has the qualified personnel, has good practices in place, and has the confidence of the community is really important. So they can bring their child here, leave them here, and know that they can contact us, stop by any time, that we will be responsive to their needs, and we individualize the care of the children.
Hospital staff and child care providers say they're proud of the new partnership.
Our staff are stressed at work, and they've got very critical jobs working with some of the most vulnerable, yet they also have their families at home that they're worried about. And you could literally see people's shoulders drop knowing that there was a group of child care agencies, community partners working together in order to maybe alleviate some stress to know that their kids would be in a safe place.